AI isn't just the future, it's your child's future. And at CodaKid, we don't just teach kids what AI is, we teach them how to build with it, step by step. Designed for students ages 8 and up, CodaKid's award-winning artificial intelligence and machine learning courses give kids a hands-on path into the world of AI. Using real tools, professional programming languages, and project-based learning. We start at the very basics, no experience required, and guide students all the way up to building professional-grade applications using LLM APIs and more. Whether your child learns best at their own pace with a one-on-one tutor or in small groups, CodaKid offers flexible formats for every learner. Here's what your child will explore: AI foundations and theory. What is AI? How do machines learn? We make it fun and clear for all learners. 2. Everyday AI skills. Use popular tools like ChatGPT, image generators, and custom bots. 3. Coding and AI development. Learn real programming with Python, JavaScript, and more. 4. Web and app creation with AI. Build smart apps and websites that think and respond. 5. AI-driven game design. Make Roblox and Minecraft projects powered by AI logic. 6. Future tech and systems thinking. Explore automations, robotics, and what's next. Throughout the program, students also build strong computer science foundations. So they not only learn to build with AI, but they also gain the confidence to code, debug, and think like engineers. Each student develops a portfolio of real-world AI projects, an incredible asset for school applications, scholarships, and future opportunities. Students earn STEM.org certified certificates, recognized for academic and industry-level achievement. CodaKid has won numerous honors, including a Cody Award finalist for Best Coding and Computational Thinking Solution and the Parents' Choice Gold Award. Led by tech educator and game designer David Dodge, who began integrating AI into games in the late 1990s. CodaKid is powered by a team of experienced AI engineers and instructors who make learning tech engaging, fun, and future-focused. If you want to prepare your child for the careers of tomorrow, visit CodaKid.com and try it for free. See why thousands of families trust CodaKid to turn screen time into skill time and help their kids become confident AI creators.